Ending constitutional right to abortion, Supreme Court reshapes U.S. politics. The ruling eliminating the constitutional right to an abortion after almost 50 years was met with celebration and anger across the country. President Biden called the court's action the realization of extreme ideology. Demonstrators gathered in major cities across America to protest the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade.Victoria Larson, 24, stood facing the Supreme Court, which was cordoned off by metal police fencing, wearing a sweatshirt with 1973 on the front, watching anti-abortion activists celebrating. She said she felt sadness for women whose lives will be destroyed by the decision, and reflected on the impact an unwanted pregnancy had on her birth mother. No protests have materialized outside the home of Justice Alito, the author of the opinion, which is guarded by several police vans. The police said there have been protesters at the justice's home about once a week in the past month.
Refuse to accept a future where women and girls are stripped of their status as full human beings.
And tell your friends, tell your brothers, your sisters, your parents, get them out on the streets, because we will not go back. We got to take to the streets, and we got to fight this.
Supreme Court! Abortion ban! Abortion ban! Forced motherhood! Forced motherhood! Illegitimate!
I refuse to accept a
Maine won't go back. 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 Maine won't go back.
This court against women.
It's quite frustrating for me to witness all of these males out here who are chanting and against abortion and are enthused and happy, smiling, singing song and laughing. It's just really disgusting.
We won, they lost, you win some, you lose some, it happens.
That's not true. That's stupid.
Screamed for joy, shook up a bottle of champagne and popped it.
You're laughing about this whole situation. You're laughing, you're making a joke about it. Oh, it's absurd that my mom nearly died.
No, it's absurd that, like, you guys want to kill babies.
Millions of
Abortion
babies
is not
die
healthcare.
every year.
We're pro-choice.
And we're pro-life.
He's the man! Not the federal government! He
conception, and I believe in the sanctity of human life. I believe people have a soul. I believe that God created them with that, and so I think that taking away that life, even in the womb, I think that that's murder. And so as long as I am living, I will be fighting with every bone in my body to stop that.
We have talked about what Roe v. Wade protects. Today, as of right now, as of this minute, we can only talk about what Roe v. Wade protected. Past tense. This is a healthcare crisis. Because understand, millions of women in America will go to bed tonight without access to the health care and reproductive care that they had this morning. This opinion also says, when you read it, that abortion is not deeply rooted in our nation's history. They offer that in the opinion as a foundation for the decision they rendered today. In holding that it is not deeply rooted in our history, today's decision on that theory then calls into question other rights that we thought were settled, such as the right to use birth control, the right to same-sex marriage, the right to interracial marriage.